I'm saying. Give me a ball. I got my ball here.
You suck.
Fuck!
Oh, a complete miss!
Assholes. Fucking Nikki,
Your turn.
I am going over to her house and kicking her ass.
Francis is ready.
Thermal mass my ass.
Oh, 7-10 split. No, it's not. Never mind.
It's hard.
Do you have a bottle opener?
We don't need a bottle opener for that.
Oh, yeah.
Down! Touchdown!
A complete miss.
Touchdown.
Touchdown!
Tools.
Bowler 2, it's your turn, Sarah.
Oh, yay.